Come on. Come on. Come on. How are you?
Sometimes I wonder if you know your limitations, but...
I have some.
Meet Mike Kennedy. When he's not earning a living, repossessing multi-million-dollar airplanes.
Looks like somebody's throwing a party for us.
Oh! Put your hands out the side! Put that camera down!
Mike kicks off each day with his wife, Valerie. And some of the deadly critters he's rescued over the years. Like Spot, his 200-pound African leopard.
He jumped on my back and grabbed me by the neck. Sure that gate's latched.
But like the other high-end repo men, most days begin with a phone call.
Hello.
Hey, Mike, I got something for you.
Oh, okay.
A bank has reached out.
It's a Lear 55.
A plane owner has fallen behind on payments.
It's going to be in the Orlando area sometime tomorrow.
If Mike accepts this job, he'll be hunting down a $1.25 million Lear jet, one of the first luxury liners to boast a wide-body cabin. The distinctive low-wing design ensures a stable aerodynamic flight and a desirably quieter cabin environment, despite the fact that it screams along at 520 miles an hour.
I know you're the guy who get the job done.
For Mike,
What's my take?
no matter how sexy the asset,
3%, huh?
every mission has a bottom line.
Well, what the hell, that's 30 grand. Yeah, I'll do it, sure.
What the trick is, we need to get it back here in the next 24 hours because the inspection status is going to run out on.
I'll call you later tonight. Let me go ahead and get started.
Uh-oh. How long you think you'll be gone?
2 days.
Here we go again.